We'll begin with something called as Ostwald's dilution law. Okay, very simple. Consider the dissociation of weak acid, because only weak acids dissociates partially. Some of the molecules of acid remain undissociated. Consider the dissociation of a weak acid at equilibrium. Let me say at equilibrium. At equilibrium, we have used volume 1 mole of acid in volume V dm cube. So at equilibrium, let the concentration be 1 mole per dm cube. Okay. Next, let alpha be the degree of dissociation. Then, the degree of dissociation. So what we are going to do here is, so how many molecules of H plus and A minus are formed? They are alpha each, and the number of molecules of the weak acid remaining undissociated is 1 minus alpha. So how do you going to write here? Therefore concentration of Ha is equal to 1 minus alpha, because alpha is the degree of dissociation. Concentration of H plus is equal to concentration of A minus, which is equal to what? Alpha each. So what is the dissociation constant of weak acid? It is concentration of products to the concentration of reactant, that is alpha multiplied by alpha divided by 1 minus alpha, that is alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Are you okay here? Let's see the concentration, initial concentration of the acid. Concentrate on the unit. Let's see with the initial concentration of the acid in mole per dm cube. Okay, and volume V be dm cube per mole. Then we can directly write here concentration is reciprocal of volume. Okay, what we can write here? We can write concentration is reciprocal of volume. Is it okay here? We will write here concentrate. So dissociate at equilibrium, 1 mole we have used in volume V dm cube. 1 minus alpha into V remains. Concentration of H plus and concentration of L minus is alpha V square राहिलं students. Concentrate here into V. What happens? Therefore Ka is equal to what? We get it as alpha square V divided by 1 minus alpha. I'll repeat again. Consider the dissociation of a weak acid Ha, which dissociates to form cations and anions. At equilibrium, let 1 mole of weak acid be dissolved in volume V dm cube of water. Let alpha be the degree of dissociation. Then how do you write the concentration of Ha? It will be mole per dm cube. म्हणजे concentration of Ha will be what here? 1 minus alpha by V. Okay. Concentration of H and A will be alpha by V each. Concentration is mole per dm cube. Okay. घाला बघूया. So alpha by V. हे बघा, I'll show you. Therefore K is equal to what? Concentration of H plus concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha. Concentration of products divided by the concentration of reactants. Concentration of product is alpha divided by 1 minus alpha divided by V. What remains? Alpha square, okay, 1 minus alpha into V. ठीक है? If C is the concentration in mole per dm cube and V is the volume in dm cube per mole, then I hope you, since they are exactly reciprocal of each other, Therefore C is equal to 1 upon B. Therefore what is Ka? It will be alpha square C divided by 1 minus alpha. Are you okay? So Ka is what? Alpha square C divided by 1 minus alpha. Students, for weak acid, alpha, or we'll put here like this, alpha is much lesser than 1. Therefore Ka is equal to, therefore I can put here like this, 1 minus alpha is almost equal to 1. What do we get here? Ka is what? Alpha square C divided by 1. Therefore Ka is equal to alpha square C, or alpha is equal to square root of Ka upon C. If I substitute it here, what will be Ka equal to alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha into V. 1 minus alpha can be negligible. It will be alpha square by V. Therefore K into V चा square root is alpha. So degree of dissociation can be taken in two ways. That is the thing here. मी एकदा रिवाइज करते, थोडं इथं कन्फ्यूज होईल तुम्हाला. बघा at equilibrium 1 mole per dm cube we are considering. Let 1 mole of acid be dissolved, weak acid be dissolved in volume V of the solvent. Okay, volume V of the solvent, which is water here. So concentration of Ha is equal to 1 minus alpha upon V. Concentration of H plus and concentration of A minus is alpha by V, because it is dissociation, degree of dissociation divided by volume. Okay, dissociation constant of weak acid is concentration of product divided by concentration of reactants. Product concentration is alpha by V. हे बघा इथं घेतलं, alpha by V into alpha by V divided by 1 minus alpha by V. We get alpha square 1 minus alpha into V. If C is the concentration in mole per dm cube and V is the volume in dm cube per mole, C is equal to 1 by V. Answer आलं. So we get alpha is equal to under root of K by C, or alpha is equal to under root K into V. Ends the job. ठीक है. आता बेस घ्या. Weak base. Consider a weak base which partially undergoes dissociation to form B plus ions and OH minus ions. How do you write the dissociation constant of weak base? It is concentration of products always divided by concentration of reactant. Okay, if alpha is the degree of dissociation and 1 minus alpha of the reactant remains undissociated, then concentration is moles per dm cube. Concentration of B plus is equal to concentration of hydroxyl, which is equal to alpha by V each, and concentration of BOH is equal to 1 minus alpha upon V. Therefore Kb is equal to what? Alpha by V, 1 minus alpha by V. Cancel. Same story. Alpha square divided by V into 1 minus alpha. करता? So in that case also, if 1 minus alpha is considered to be approximately equal to 1, what will be your Kb? It will be alpha square by V. Therefore V will put here like this, V is equal to alpha square by Kb, or alpha is equal to under root Kb, or alpha is equal to what? It is square root of Kb by C. कसं का टीचर? Because C is equal to 1 upon V. Reciprocate. That's it. कळतं? Okay. This is one here. For today I will stop. We'll continue with some more points in the next class.